Hi friends, my name is Junaid and you are watching my channel Junaid Production. In today's video, I want to show you what's inside 6 volt LED light. There is 6 volt LED light. Now let's open it and find what's inside. There is some screws. I already opened 2 screws and there is 4 screws remaining. Now screws has been opened. Now let's watch it. Oh. And there is paper, white paper. And there is magnifying glass, 2 magnifying glass. And front there is LED strip. Front there is another 6 volt LED light. Front there is another strip light. Now friends, let's operate this light with LED driver. Friend, there is my UPS and there is LED driver. Now let's operate this. There is positive wire of LED and there is negative wire. Now let's connect this and check it. Friend, here you can see this. So friends, that's all about my this video or project. So I hope you will enjoy my this video or project. So thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Have a great day.